Topics of school assembly covered in this video. First, morning greeting and introduction. Second, thought of the day. Third, news. Fourth, quiz. Fifth, special today. Sixth, amazing facts. Seventh, speech. Eighth, new word. Ninth, pledge. 10th, principal's message. And at last, ending. Morning greeting and introduction. If you want to shine like a sun, then first burn like a sun. With these motivational lines, a warm good morning to honorable principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today I, your name, is standing before you all to conduct this morning assembly. Every day is full of opportunities, so let us take a moment to reflect on our goals and aspirations for the day ahead. Thought of the day. New thoughts in the morning work like fire, which keeps us smiling and encouraging throughout the day. So for thought of the day, I would like to call name of the student for her or his thought. Afterthought. Thank you, name of the student, for such a motivational thought. News. Updating ourselves every day is a good and never-ending habit. We should always have this type of habit which show our awareness towards our society and nation. So here is name of the student to enlighten us with today's news. Quiz. Questioning is the ability to organize our thinking around. We should always push ourselves in learning new stuff. So I would like to invite name of the student to organize today's quiz. Special today. We celebrate various days to remember our special achievements and to keep our culture and tradition going. So to elaborate, I would like to call name of the student to deliver what is special today. Amazing facts. The world of science is full of wonders. Did you know that an octopus has 3 hearts? Amazing, isn't it? So let us hear a cool science fact from student's name. Speech. To learn, you have to listen. To improve, you have to try. With these lines, please welcome name of the student for giving a beautiful speech on topic's name. New word. Every morning brings us new words, lessons, strength, and endless possibilities. So to brighten our morning with her or his new word, here is name of the student. Pledge. Pledge is a way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. So I would request everyone to take one hand distance and take pledge position. Principal's message. Either know or listen to those who know. With these lines, I would like to invite our honorable and dignified principal, ma'am or sir, onto the stage to speak a few words and enlighten us with her or his knowledge. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause. Ending. To accomplish great things, we must not only act but also dream, not only plan but also believe. With these majestic lines, I would like to end this stunning morning assembly. Thank you.